how to find in YouTube app total time watch and video history. Did you know that the YouTube app has actually a feature wherein you can check the total time watch or the total time you have spent watching videos in YouTube? In addition to that, you can also check what are the videos that you have watched. So through YouTube history, you can easily rewatch videos. To enable this feature, you have to sign in with your Google account, or if you have a YouTube channel, then you can also sign in using that channel. YouTube actually keeps the history for as long as 10 years. So all the videos that you have watched in your computer or in your laptop or in your iPad or on your phone will be recorded as long as all those devices were signed in using the same account. So here's the steps. After signing in, click on the top rightmost corner. Press that button and then you can see time watched. Press that and a bar graph with the total time will appear, and as you can see, it displays only the last 7 days that you have watched videos in YouTube. Now, let's find out what are the videos that you have watched. You have to press library. It's on the bottom right. This is what the library looks like, and it will show you history, your videos, your movies and shows, watch later, and at the bottom are the playlists that you have saved. Now let's press history. Here, you will see a list of all the videos that you have previously watched. You can see the red line on the video thumbnails, and it will show you how much percentage of the videos that you have watched. So if it's a full red line, it means you have watched the entire video. If the red line is incomplete, it means you have partially watched the video. I hope you have learned something new today. If you're new to YouTube, you should definitely watch my other video tutorials in how to use the YouTube app.